You will remember that during the press conference, the issue of the high temperature inside the building was flagged. And we are waiting for the full information and update from the firefighters with regard to what was the reason behind this sudden re-emergence of the fire at the roof of the National Assembly. But it is a very devastating, distressing situation. But we continue to appreciate all the efforts, the courageous and brave battle that the firefighters continue to put in their endeavor to bring under control this fire. So we will await the full information from the firefighters regarding this flare-up.